on the 2nd of October, on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, we are having a cycle rally. It's for all the cycling enthusiasts of Bardes. The main aim is for fitness. Health is wealth, and this is what COVID has taught us. So keeping this in mind, we are having this cycle rally on the 2nd of October, and I would request all the people of Bardes to come with your cycles. It will start at Parra Tito, at Parra Tower, go to Saligaon Junction, from there to Kalangut Dolphin Circle, from there to Nagwa Circle, and from there we'll enter Parra and come back to the starting point. You at 6 o'clock is the reporting time. When you come, you have to, the link is already given where how to register. 24th is the last day to register for the cycle rally. It's not a cycle race, it's a cycle rally. On arrival, you will be given a t-shirt, a cap, and at the end, you'll be given a certificate of participation and a medal. So also there will be points where we'll be refreshing people, the cyclists, with water, and some snacks will be provided. So I request all the people from Bardes to participate and make this event a great success.
Honorable Minister and his wife for organizing this such a rally, a fitness rally. आम्ही जाणा की fitness is very important, like she said. We are always busy. आम्ही आमच्या कामान सदांच busy असता. We never give time for fitness, for exercise. But this is a very important aspect, as we have seen during COVID pandemic. Those who are fit and fine were able to overcome this disease, this virus that is there. So I appeal to all our villagers, especially from Kalangut, to get your cycles. If they have been kept inside, start oiling the chains. This is not a race, it's a rally. So everybody will come out winners. So come October 2nd, request all of you all to come participate. Everyone will be given a participation certificate, a completion, a medal as well. So this message on Gandhi Jayanti is spreading the message of peace and harmony. Goa is peaceful. So by cycling, we are spreading his message throughout the route that we take. Thank you.
Okay, good morning friends. This cycling for fitness under the banner Together for Bardes, under the leadership of Sir Honorable Minister Sir Michael Lobo and Sarpanch of Village Panchayat Parra, Madam Delilah Lobo. We are organizing in association with the physical education teachers from Bardes. We are assisting in organizing this event, huge event. We are expecting more than 700-800 participants. Till today 480 participants had registered. So as Madam and Martin has said, all the participants will get a medal, a t-shirt, a cap and a certificate and the refreshment. The en route escort, the route has been marked and the volunteers will be guiding all the participants. So we'll be following all the norms, COVID norms, and also the support from a police department and the deputy collector.
What's your name?
Anand Saval.
What are you?
Anand Saval.
What is your designation?
Physical education teacher.
Sawal.
Saval.
कितने किलोमीटर?
Is an event organized here Together for Bardes. Cyclists from all the 7 constituencies of Bardes are being invited to participate for a cycle rally which will spread the message of peace and harmony in India. On this very special day of Gandhi Jayanti. We remember the father of the nation, his message then to all the fellow Indians, to all the people of India, of peace and togetherness. We want to spread this message on this day, and we are inviting all the young youth, the young enthusiasts, the cyclists, and I would request हांव सगळ्या पेरंट्सां कडेन रिक्वेस्ट करता की जेन्ना तुमची भुरगीं वाडटा तुमी तांकां म्हणटा आमी तुका बायक दिता म्हणून मोटरसायकल, जे 12वी पास जालो मोटरसायकल दिवंक सोदता, तुमी तांकां सायकल दिया. जेन्ना ती 5वी पास जाता वो 6वी पास जाता 7वी पास जाता तुमी तांकां सायकल दिया. बिकॉज फ्रॉम दीस व्हेरी यंग एज ऑफ 5 and above, 5 वर्सां आनी तेचे वयर सायकल भुरग्याक व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट, चेड्याक तशी चेडवाक. सायकल विल कीप युअर बॉय एंड गर्ल व्हेरी व्हेरी फिट. ती दिसाक जर तर 1 किलोमिटरूच सायकल चलय जाल्यार तुजी भुरगीं, तुमची सगळ्यांची भुरगीं फिट आसतली. आमी परतून एकदां हो ट्रेडिशन जो आमचो आदी आसलो, आमी भुरगे आसतना म्हाका उगडास येता आमी सगळे जाण सायकलींनी भोंवताले. सांजचे स्कुलाचे येयले, स्टडीज केल्यो, ट्युशनाक गेले, परतून येयले, मागीर सायकलीचो रावंड आसतालो आमचो. तो रिवायव करपाची गरज आहा आनी हितून पेरंट्सान आपल्या भुरग्यांक सपोर्ट करपाची गरज आहा. आनी त्या खातीर आमी हो सायकल रॅली वो इव्हेंट ऑर्गनायज करतात 2 ऑक्टोबर. आमी सगळे सरपंचांक, वेर्ला काणकाची सरपंच आहा, रायट फ्रॉम आमचो सावंतावाडो सालुजीन टील हे सायडीन आमचो राजेश जो सरपंच शिमेर आहा, शॉन मार्टीन आहा, कांदोलीचो सरपंच आहा ब्लेज आहा, आनी पार्रा सरपंच, सगळे सरपंच वॉर्ड मेंबरांक आनी वॉलंटियर्स आनी लायक मायंडेड पीपल. हिंगासर आमचे कितकेशेच वॉलंटियर्स आहा, बाब प्रशांत आहा, थिंगासर आमचो गिरीचो वॉलंटियर आहा, आमचो फ्रेंड. हे सगळे वॉलंटियर्स, शिवराम पार्सेकर एंड अदर्स, हे सगळे फुडें सरलेले आहा की आमी परतून हे आमच्या भुरग्यांक सायकल चलोवपाक आनी तांकां ही सायकल घेवन भोंवपाक, इन्स्टेड ऑफ गोईंग ऑन अ बायक. आमी पळयता धाकटे धाकटे भुरगे 15, 16, 17 वर्साचे पासून बायक घेवन भोंवता, लायसन ना तरी सायकल घेवन भोंवची, ते फीट उरतले. आनी त्या खातीर हो रिवायव करपा खातीर ही रॅली. सगळे पार्टिसिपंटांक आमी सर्टिफिकेट दितले ऑफ पार्टिसिपेशन. सगळे पार्टिसिपंटांक मेडल आसतली, सगळे पार्टिसिपंट्सांक टी शर्ट आसतले, कॅप दितले. वी वॉन्ट टू एनकरेज द यंग बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स so that they convince their parents to buy a cycle and they come for this rally. We already have around 400 entries and we are expecting another 350 more entries. All necessary arrangements on the route will be made, including an ambulance, a doctor, a nurse, refreshments, water and other things, because it starts early in the morning at 6:15. 6 o'clock is the reporting. Around 6:15, 6:30 we will start. अनेकदा सगळ्या बार्देसकारांक फुडें मागता हांव की तुमी ह्या पीसफूल टू स्प्रेड द मॅसेज ऑफ पीस एंड हार्मनी इन इंडिया 2 ऑक्टोबर गांधी जयंती दिसा ह्या तुमी रॅलीक पार्टिसिपेट जावचे. थँक्यू.